Are you tired of stubborn weeds taking over your garden, lawn, or driveway? What if I told you there's a powerful weed killer hiding in your kitchen, and it's 100% natural? In today's video, I'll show you how to make a super effective, eco-friendly weed spray that's safe for your health, your pets, and the planet. No harsh chemicals, no expensive products, just results. Whether you've got a lush garden, a tidy lawn, a few potted plants, or just some weeds creeping through cracks in your concrete, this simple solution can help you take back control. But first, what exactly are weeds and why are they so hard to get rid of? Weeds are simply plants growing where we don't want them. They steal water, nutrients, and sunlight from the plants we actually care about, making them weaker, less productive, and often more vulnerable to disease. And if left unchecked, weeds can spread fast. That's why early action is key. The good news? You don't need to turn to toxic herbicides to fight back. Here's a powerful DIY weed spray made from just 4 ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. Let's get started. This is what you will need. 2 teaspoons of baking soda. This natural, non-toxic ingredient helps dry out the weeds without harming the soil or surrounding plants. It's a favorite in organic gardening. 1 tablespoon of ground black pepper. Pepper isn't just for cooking. It deters insects like ants and snails that can spread weed seeds or damage your plants. 2 teaspoons of dish soap. This helps the mixture stick to the weed leaves, ensuring the baking soda and pepper can do their job effectively. And finally, 5 teaspoons of vinegar. Vinegar burns and dehydrates the weed's leaves. Its acetic acid breaks down cell membranes, making the plant dry out and eventually die. Next, mix it all together in a spray bottle, shake well, and apply directly to the weeds. For best results, spray on a sunny day. Sunlight helps dry out the weeds faster and makes the spray more effective. In no time at all, your garden, path, or driveway will be weed-free. If you found this tip helpful, share it with your fellow gardeners and friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more natural gardening tips, home hacks, and eco-friendly solutions. Let's grow smarter naturally. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 15 effective plants that repel mosquitoes and flies naturally.